Yeah, what I want to show you is my old CX, CX power meter. Unfortunately, it got damaged, and I think I moved the lead, and it applied stress to the end, and it came off. Now I think you might see some glistening there, but that's why I used super glue to try and fix it, and that lasted a little bit longer, but it didn't really work. So that's what they look like when you damage them. I don't know if they're gold. They look like gold, but a cheap thing like this, I wouldn't have thought it was gold. Contacts. This is the new one. Same maker. But I've had that one a couple of years, and the price has gone up. But that's how it is. It came in the post. This little thing, envelope, I suppose, and it came in this. And this is transparent, but it's faded, so it's resistant to sunlight, and I think it's resistant to electricity as well, I suppose. So that's what it came in. I used my penknife, which just see it says made in China. Got that many years ago. So I thought I'd show that to you, and sort of warning to you, don't move the lead, because you apply stress to it, and then you break it. And these are very good machines, but they can tell you the voltage, the ampage and the wattage and so on, which is very useful, because sometimes if you're charging up a mobile phone, perhaps, you can't be absolutely certain it's charging because they go dark when it's charging to try and conserve electricity. So you can't necessarily be sure it's actually been charging up. And if you can see this screen telling you that it is, then that's reassuring. So I thought I'd let you see that.